Welcome to OFAR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to assemble this Micke Desk from IKEA. For this build, you need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a hammer, and an Allen key that IKEA gives you. You can also use a drill with a Phillips or posi drive bit to speed up the assembly process. So let's start with assembling the drawers. Grab this front drawer piece and put it in this orientation. Also grab 2 of these screws and screw them into these 2 holes. Then grab 2 side drawer pieces and put them into this orientation. Also grab 2 dowels and hammer them into these 2 holes. Now attach the side drawer pieces on like this. Next, grab 2 of the smallest fasteners and secure them into these 2 holes. Then grab the bottom of the drawer and insert it in like this. Now grab the back of the drawer and place it on as shown. Next, grab 2 plastic pins and hammer them into these 2 holes. Then place the drawer into this position and grab yourself a DR and DL drawer slide. Also grab 4 of these small screws. Now go to the left side of the drawer and place the drawer slide that is labeled DL on like this. Then secure it using 2 screws. The 2 screws will be going into these 2 holes. Now go to the right side and repeat the same step for the DR drawer slide. Then you'll have to repeat the same steps in regards to the drawer one more time. After assembling both drawers, grab these 2 wooden pieces and put them into this orientation. For the smaller piece of wood, it doesn't matter which way it's positioned as both edges are the same. Also grab 4 dowels. Then hammer in the 4 dowels into these 4 holes. Now attach this piece as shown. Next, grab 4 more dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Then grab this long thin piece and put in this orientation. Make sure that these 2 larger holes are in this position and attach the piece as shown. Now grab 1 screw and screw it into this hole. Then grab this piece and put it in this orientation. Also grab one dowel and hammer it into this hole. Now attach this piece as shown. Next, grab one medium-sized fastener and secure it into this hole. Now it chose to have the metal leg on the left side of the desk, so grab these two panels and put them into this orientation. Also grab 8 of these screws and screw them into these 8 holes. It's going to look something like this. Then grab the drawer slides that are labeled with an R and an L and 4 of these small screws. So for this panel, place the drawer slide that is labeled with an R and secure it by using 2 screws. As for this panel, place the drawer slide that is labeled with an L and secure it by using 2 screws. Then bring in the middle back section you worked on before and place it in this orientation. Also grab 2 dowels and hammer them into these 2 holes. Now attach the smaller panel as shown. Then attach the larger panel like this. Now grab 8 of the medium-sized fasteners and secure them into these 8 holes. Next, grab 4 dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Now grab the top of the desk and put it in this orientation. Also grab 9 of these screws and screw them into these 9 holes. It's going to look something like this. Then attach the bottom structure of the desk like this. Now grab 4 of the longer fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. Then grab 5 medium-sized fasteners and secure them into these 5 holes. Next, grab the metal leg, 3 long screws, and an Allen key. If you need better leverage, you could also use the black handle for the Allen key. Then place the metal leg on like this and secure it using the 3 screws. The 3 screws will be going to these 3 holes. Next, grab 2 scratch guards and hammer them into these 2 spots. Now grab 4 felt pads and stick 2 of them onto the metal frame like this. Then grab the R and L drawer slides and 4 screws. So place the drawer slides like this. The one with the L is going to be secured to the left side, and the one that's labeled with an R is going to be secured to the right side. So attach the drawer slide that is labeled with an L like this. Then attach the drawer slide that is labeled with an R as shown. Next, flip the desk onto its feet. You could use another person's help in this step. Now put the drawers in like this. Then put the plastic ring into this hole as shown. Next, to hide the holes in the front, grab the 4 stickers and stick them over these 4 holes. Then check that everything opens and closes relatively smoothly, but if you followed all these steps, then you shouldn't have any issues. So you now have a fully assembled Micke Desk from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.